Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it.
Hey guys, it's Javinia. Welcome back to another video. So today I will be showing you how I got this 30-inch bust down flat on my head like this. I truly do believe that this is one of, maybe not the, but one of the best installs I've done on myself. I've really been like researching the YouTube and TikTok girlies for all the tips and tricks. So I will be showing you guys some of those things that I've learned in this video. I'm not going to keep this intro too long. So if you want to see how I got this all flat and stuck to my head, looking all good, just keep on watching.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here.
Okay guys, so we're not wasting any time today. I'm going straight in, and as you can see, I'm working with these very crusty, not flat to my head braids. But I didn't want to use a wig cap for this look because one, ball cap methods, they're just not my favorite to do. They take so long to get off. It's very easy for me to have sensory overload and want that thing off my head, and I truly found that the wig was easier for me to wear and more comfortable for me to wear without using a cap. So as you can see, no cap, just laying back my edges with some Edgebooster. And now we're gonna cut out the tabs for the ears. My head is very small, and these laces, these lace fronts are always about 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. So just cutting off those extra pieces that we don't need, just so there's no extra lace. That's the one thing we don't need, is like extra lace, you know what I mean? I was watching Basketball Wars, y'all. It was getting messy boots, okay? I was gagged. I'm so messy. I love a good mess. And as you guys can see here, I left this in because it was definitely just a little mistake I made. So I was using the eyeliner so I could have some type of guide to where to put the glue when I pull up the lace, but it didn't go through like it was supposed to. But I left it in there anyway because I like leaving my mistakes in there, just so you guys know, like, literally it's a trial and error type of process, you know what I mean? And look at me flipping it off and being like, no, not y'all, not y'all. So I'm going in with this ORS Wig Grip Gel. I saw Arrogance had used it, so what did I do? I went to go get it to use on my wigs. And I definitely think that the no ball cap method definitely helps with the more natural look of this wig, as well as this glue and spray combo. Like, I can't use anything else in my wigs now. When I tell you sweat resistant, sleep resistant, it's the best. And the process, as you guys can see, or as you guys will see, will be the same on each side. Of course, I am doing it in sections so that each section can get the attention and care that it needs to, because I want each side to individually look good, and then as a unit, it should look good. So again, routine's gonna be the same. Glue, spray, blow dry, glue, spray, blow dry. 2 times on each side, then lay the lace down, period.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Oh, yeah, my cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man.
Now for the fun part, I'm going in with my pantyhose, but first I am going to go back in with that active Ebin spray. Wait, this isn't the active version. The red bottle is the active version. This is the extreme hold and sweat resistant version, which I love. So I'm going to go back in with that spray, and then I'm going to use the pantyhose to lay down my hairline before I cut the lace all the way. And I am doing this because of course I saw a girl on TikTok saying that for girls who sweat a lot and your lace starts to move because of it, nothing really helps. Pantyhose really work. And I didn't question the science. I didn't question her. I just went to the beauty supply and spent $2 on some pantyhose. And I have to say, for a person who sweats a lot, my wigs, they lift a lot, you know what I'm saying? This combo and the pantyhose, it had me set, okay? Again, everything I do is pretty much on a whim and trial and error. So I decided I didn't want to be boring and just do a regular side part. I wanted to give it some layers, but this is my first time ever trying to give myself layers. I was more so focused on the heavier side because I was trying to give like Aaliyah over the face with the bang. The side that I'm doing right now didn't come out good. As you can see, it was kind of jagged, but at the end of the day, it didn't look crazy. It worked, so I was fine with it.
Go across the street to the park right here. Oh, yeah, my cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect,
And my camera was being very, very dumb. It kept dying on me. As you can see in this next clip, like, it really gets choppy once I start doing that little sideburn. So instead of stressing about it, I just wrapped my hair up and went to sleep. And the next time you see me, I will be waking up about to slay this wig fresh off of sleepy time. Alright guys, so we're back fresh off a wake up. I am rubbing the sleep out of my eyes. I'm gonna take this cap off, whatever my hair, unwrap it, even though it unwrapped by itself. And I have to say that the next morning was much easier working with the wig, of course, because I had already laid it down and everything, let it stay overnight. And I was kind of feeling the wave. You guys see the old Hollywood waves it was giving, but of course I needed that jet black middle part 30-inch bust down. So we're gonna go ahead, put some more cheap oil in that, straighten it, and get to work.
across the street to the park, right here. Oh, yeah, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man.
And that is it. But of course, you know, it's not finished until I do my makeup. So we're gonna do that and come right back. And that is the finished look. Okay, baby, so we are at the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed. As always, I hope that you learned a little bit of something along the way. Again, this beautiful, beautiful hair is from WestKiss hair. So be sure to check out the description box down below because I will leave the link to this wig and their website as well as all the details because of course I forget. So of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe before you leave. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Bite it, bite it, bite it.